I'm Mr. Shade. Shade tree. Insta shade. I've got a 10 by 10 canopy tent. So here's the setup, instruction manual, right on the bag, carry strap, some stakes, clips, rope, so it would really be best to have a person on each corner pulling. It's hard to get this thing to stretch out. Once you get this all the way up, there's a pin right here, pops in, clicks, makes this nice and rigid, all four corners. To release, push the button. Try to get the seam right on the corner, has more strength, but I'm sure it's going to slide around. I don't really like this. However, we're ready to go up. Got 3 height settings on the legs. I've got it on the lowest point, but you just push it in and then go up as you need it. Attach these straps, Velcro. I don't know what to do with the excess. But anyway, this is one of the features of the tent. You got reinforcement back there from movement, so it doesn't wear a hole. Several locations. Got some ventilation, help disperse the heat. Also, when the wind is blowing hard, it helps keep the canopy from taking off. Just noticed there's Velcro here as well. Got several anchors for tie downs to help assist so your canopy doesn't blow away. Got a good amount of ventilation up there in conjunction with the light top. This is like a white silver, reflects the heat. So I'll be putting the canopy on that upper deck. So when I moved here, I brought my old canopy to this location, and you can see it overhangs a bit, and that's why I figured this 10 by 10 would fit up there a little bit better. See how that works. So I made it work. From a distance it doesn't look all that great. I think it's pretty nice. Nice atmosphere. But the wind got to it, ripped it up. So let's see how the 10 by 10 fits up here. I used some drywall screws to mount it to the deck, 1.25 inches. I'm not sure why this unit didn't come with the black bag you fill with sand. Maybe that's for the larger unit. However, if yours comes with that bag, you want to line that with a plastic bag first. Over time, in the heat of the sun, those bags get brittle and burst open, sand everywhere. Let me show that clip. Velcroed shut. So I believe this could be used as a stabilizer for the bag. So we'll go through the foot with that loop. Doesn't look too bad. Overall, this unit is pretty nice. However, it's a little fussy. The setup, everything's so tight. I'd rather have the type where you push up in the center, like my old one. It's much easier. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope this has helped someone. I'll put a link in the description where you can get one of these.